St. Elizabeth businessman murder linked to lottery scamming dispute. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police say that the killing of a St. Elizabeth-based businessman by a gunman on Sunday may be linked to a dispute over lottery scamming proceed. Dead is 26-year-old Stephen Trenchfield of Top Hill, St. Elizabeth. Trenchfield owned a car dealership. Reports are that Trenchfield was traveling in a Mercedes-Benz along the Constant Spring Main Road in St. Andrew when he was attacked by a gunman traveling on a motorcycle. The attack occurred in the vicinity of Phil's Hardware and a Ruby's gas station. Trenchfield was shot several times. He was taken to the St. Andrew's Memorial Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.